Good morning, team. As discussed in our last meeting, I'm here to present a case for the use of the Khan Academy as a base for a blended online learning initiative in our math departments here at the high school. It is important to understand that this blended initiative is to enhance our teaching skills and student learning. As we have discussed in our previous meetings, we need to incorporate different learning strategies to enhance our student learning. The Khan Academy is a tool available to each of us without additional funds needed to incorporate this learning experience. The Khan Academy provides a positive learning environment and reduces academic dishonesty. We do not have to teach the same material to each student, as the Khan can customize individual student lessons. Personal study plans and assessments are provided to each student. It can even provide closed captioning for the hearing impaired. The Khan Academy was created by Sal Khan, who wanted to help his cousins with math problems in 2005. It has grown into an international online mentoring program to include advanced math and SAT preparation. His team is made up of professionals in education, software development, inventors, subject matter experts, and a legal team. You have the ability to link lessons to our Google Classroom, and track the progress of each lesson. Assessments are conducted after each video with hints if the student struggles on a particular procedure. Immediate feedback is also provided. In addition to our expertise, coaches and mentors are also available to each student as they proceed through the program. This blended initiative will allow us the freedom to let students who understand the current concepts move on, while struggling students can be given individual instructional time. The Khan Academy learning outcomes continue to exceed typical growth. As a staff, we are committed to giving our students our best effort. With Khan Academy, we can do this while having a little help. We must ensure we follow the INACOL standards that have been adopted for online learning. The following Prezi will provide additional information in support of this high school experience.